It is Tuesday, December 2nd. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. A new build announcement is coming at you today on Brickscale Studio. Welcome back to Brickscale Studio. My name is Jeff. Thank you so much for joining me. So today we are going to announce the results of our poll. So as I've been sort of teasing the last month or two, maybe not quite that long, back in November we finished our Optimus Prime build, so that leaves Tuesday open. We've sort of done some LEGO reviews since then, and we're going to be doing a few more coming up. But that leaves an open spot for another regular weekly build. So I put a poll up on the YouTube channel site in the post section, giving you three options: the 1989 Batmobile, the Orca from Jaws, or the USS Enterprise D from Star Trek The Next Generation. And as if you couldn't tell from the thumbnail, the winner is the Orca from Jaws. So this is a new model coming out from Agora Models. They are the same company that did our Optimus Prime build. They also do the Titanic build that we are currently doing. So this is a new partnership for them with Universal Studios. So they've announced, this is the first one that they're doing. I believe they've also announced a Jurassic Park Ford Explorer, but that is not coming out until, I believe, probably the end of 2026 or the first part of 2027. Like I said, the first one in their partnership is going to be the Orca. And so it is on pre-order right now. They're expecting to start shipping parts in January 2026. Or actually, it said coming soon, early 2026. Let me see if I can find an exact date. All right, so after scouring their website, no specific date, it just says early 2026. But like I said, it is available for pre-order, so I have pre-ordered it. So stay tuned to the channel. As soon as I get more information, I will let you know. But let's take a look at some of the specs for this model. So it is a 1/16 scale. It's metal and ABS plastic like most of the models. It is 31 3/4 inches long, 9 1/4 inches wide, and 28 1/2 inches tall. They don't know how much it's going to weigh yet. That's to be determined. There's approximately 630 parts. And then some of the features, there's going to be sounds, including the Jaws theme, engine sound, movie quotes. There's going to be lights, a display stand, remote control, rotating propeller, removable flying bridge, opening doors, windows, and hatches. So it looks like it's going to be a pretty cool model. Here are some pictures. So here we can see the galley and the bridge. Also note that these are renderings. They are not actual pictures of the model. These are renderings of the prototype. So if they look sort of CGI, they literally are. But here's the galley and the bridge. And then we have the bow section and the stern. There's also an option to get the collector's edition, which I did not do with Optimus Prime. I did not do with the 1966 Batmobile. I did not do with the Titanic. But I do think I'm going to do with this, because getting the collector's edition, it gets you the signs. It gives you the Amity Island sign and the Jaws 50th anniversary plaque. But it also gets you Hooper, Brody, and Quint figurines. And of course, again, this photo, it's a prototype photo. The actual figures that we will receive if you subscribe to the collector's edition will be painted. They won't be gray like this. They will be painted. And it does say that in the features of the collector's edition. The figurines come pre-painted. And then, like I said, you get the Welcome to Amity Island sign. Also, you get a 50th anniversary plaque, and then you get assigned an individually numbered certificate of authenticity. So that is the Orca. So we will, like I said, we will be starting that as soon as we start getting parts. Hopefully that will be not too much, into 2026. Hopefully it'll be very soon. But until then, like I said, some Tuesdays we won't have anything. Other Tuesdays we'll have some Lego builds. Like last week we had the Wicked Wall Art. Before that we had Steamboat Willie. There's some other stuff coming up, and especially with Christmas, right around the corner. Yesterday, we started our 1989 Batmobile daily sort of advent calendar build. So I know it doesn't seem like the 89 Batmobile is Christmas related, but it was a Lego set that had 24 parts, or I'm sorry, 24 bags of parts. So just like the Home Alone house we did last year, it lends itself to be an advent calendar. So that's what we're doing. Actually, Lego, this year, I believe it was in September, they released the Batman Arkham Asylum set. Again, don't think about Christmas, but in the specifications for that set on the Lego website, it does indicate that it has 24 bags of parts and could be used for an advent style build. So I didn't get that set. I didn't spend the $300. I already had the 89 Batmobile Lego set, so that also had 24 bags, so that's the one we're going with. So that started yesterday, and we will build one bag of parts every day until December 24th. So check those videos out. They're super short, like 3 minutes long, if that. Some of them are shorter, some are a little bit longer, but around 2.5 minutes. So yeah. Super short, just a fun little daily thing to look forward to for December. And then, of course, our 1966 Batmobile and our Titanic builds just keep rolling along. We're making good progress on those. And then as far as other builds, like I said, on Tuesdays, some days we'll have some videos, some days we won't, while we're waiting for these Orca parts. Let me give you a little teaser of what is coming up. So next Tuesday, we have sort of a trip down memory lane, especially if you're Gen X. A little movie called Gremlins. We have a Lego build associated with that movie coming up next week. Maybe you are a little more of a 90s kid. Following that on the 16th, we have a retro video game handheld unit coming up. And then we've got a special little build for Christmas. And then, yeah, we'll just take it from there. We'll see, how it goes when we start getting parts. I do have the Legos Goonies set. So let me know if you want to see that on the channel. That can be something we do on Tuesday until we get Orca parts. I also have the Bricklink Designer Program Adventures in Transylvania set. So let me know. That's a huge set, like 4,000 parts or something. It's crazy. Let me know if you want to see that. That's another thing we could throw in on a Tuesday. Although that one is so big, it might be a two-parter, maybe. It's a pretty big set. So anyway, without further ado, I would again remind you to like, share, subscribe. Comment down below. Are you excited for the Orca? Did you vote for one of the other ones? The 1989 Batmobile? Just to sort of head off any confusion, if there is any, the 1989 Batmobile I'm talking about that was part of the poll is a scale model similar to the 1966 Batmobile and the Titanic that is available from Fan Home. It's not the Lego set that we're building one bag a day in December, although they're both the 1989 Batmobile, but two different builds. And then the Enterprise D was the other option. Fan Home has a scale model version of that. And then also Lego just released their version on Black Friday. Yeah, were you angling for one of those, or were you Orca all the way? But I'm excited that we're doing the Orca. But again, like, share, comment. It really helps out the channel. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, it's totally free. Doesn't cost you a penny, and it helps the channel get found. And also, you could win some free Lego. If we hit subscriber milestones, at 500 and 1,000, we're giving away free Lego. So definitely hit that subscribe button, and when those contests go live, I will definitely let you know how to enter. It's totally free to enter. If you win, I pay the shipping to you, so free all around. And in the meantime, I hope you're finding time to relax and spend time with friends and family this time of year as we're winding down 2025. And as always, remember, happy building, take care, be kind to each other, and I'll see you soon.